Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Setu. So today we are discussing the solution of week 4 assignment of NPTEL. Course name is Power Plant Engineering. So let's discuss the assignment. Question number 1. For an impulse reaction turbine, the degree of reaction is defined as the enthalpy change in the blade section to the enthalpy change in the complete stage of the process. So option 4 is correct. Delta H blade upon delta H stage. For the impulse turbine, the delta H blade is equal to 0. So the degree of reaction is 0. And for reaction turbine, for Parsons reaction turbine, the degree of reaction is half. Next question. The efficiency of turbine can be related to nozzle inlet angle for different turbine types. Says for impulse turbine, the efficiency is maximum at cos alpha 1 by 2, and for reaction turbine the efficiency is increases as the cos alpha 1 is increases. So option 4 is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. In a steam power plant, the pressure at steam entry to the turbine is generally slightly less than the boiler pressure. This is due to there are many losses in the steam power plant. So one loss is the regulating valve loss, which is happen when steam entry to the turbine. So option 3 is correct, regulating valve loss. Question number 4. Which among the following is a non-contact type of condenser? If we see that spray condenser, jet condenser, barometric condenser, these three are contact type of condenser or contact type of heat exchanger. So option 3 is correct, shell and tube type condenser, because it is a non-contact type of condenser. Question number 5. A gas turbine power plant works on the following cycle. This cycle belongs to the Joule-Brayton cycle because gas turbine power plant works on the Joule-Brayton cycle. Rankine cycle is Rankine cycle used for the steam power plant, and Atkinson cycle and diesel cycle used for the petrol or diesel plant. Question number 6. Two ideal gas power plant have different gases as working fluid. So if we study the material, then we find that for monatomic gas the efficiency of plant is maximum. If we further go for diatomic and triatomic gas, then the efficiency of plant is decreases. So the option first is correct. The first plant, which is based on the monatomic gas, have more efficiency than the second plant, because air is a diatomic gas. So first plant is having more efficiency. Question number 7. In a gas turbine power plant, the 3-stage compression is used to increase the gas pressure. The multi-stage compression is completed with perfect intercooling. If work consumed in one stage is 2 to 5 kJ per kg, what will be the total compression work consumed? So total compression work consumed will be equal to the number of stages into work in one stage. So as the stages is increases, the work is just adding. Okay? So first stage 225, second stage 225, and third stage 225. So the answer will be 675 kJ per kg. Next question. It is a numerical question. A gas turbine power plant with single stage compression consists of two turbines, first for driving the compressor and second for output. Both the turbines have separate combustion chambers which receive their gas from the compressor, and all the data are given, and we will have to find these three questions. What is the net work? What is the work consumed by the compressor? The work consumed by the compressor, WC, is equal to Cp delta T. mCp delta T. Here we will take m is the 1 kg. So Cp delta T, and it will give the answer 246.06 kJ per kg. If we calculate further, what is the power output of the plant? So power output of the plant is 2183.2 kilowatt, And what is the efficiency of the plant? The efficiency of the plant will be 17.48%. So in 8th question, option number 3 is correct. In 9th question, option number 2 is correct. And 10th question, option number 4 is correct. So these answers based on my solution. So if you want complete solution, you can message me. So thank you friends for hearing me for the solution of power plant engineering. So subscribe my channel so that you will get further solution of the assignments. Thank you.